Good morning, dear students. Today topic is speed of a longitudinal wave. Or speed of sound. We know in longitudinal waves, the direction of oscillating particle and the direction of wave propagation both are in same direction. That is, in longitudinal waves, the direction of oscillating particle and the direction of wave propagation both are in same direction. If the direction of oscillating particle and the direction of wave propagation both are in same direction, so that type of wave is known as longitudinal waves. Here I am taking some springs. They are connected in series. At one end fixed to rigid support, and another end, if we push it and release, what you observe, that is, the springs are compressed and rarefaction, compressed and rarefaction, compressed rarefaction. So that is wave, in this case, wave propagates in terms of compression and rarefaction. In the same way, sound wave propagate in terms of compression and rarefaction. So sound wave is also a longitudinal wave. Let us check. So here I am taking, this person is speaking and this person is listening. So here medium is air. Let us take, initially air is at equilibrium state. So here heat particle is at rest. When this person is speaking, so the sound create a disturbance. Due to this disturbance, so here particles are compressed. So that is, here it is compression. So here it is compression. So this disturbance travel to this place. So here it is rarefaction and here it is compression. So here it is. Next, this disturbance travel to this place. So in the same way, the disturbance in sound wave, so travel compression and rarefaction. So that is, here it is compression and here it is rarefaction. Here it is compression, here it is rarefaction. Here it is compression, here it is rarefaction. Here it is compression, here it is rarefaction. So this is compression, here it is rarefaction, compression, rarefaction, compression, rarefaction, compression, rarefaction. So in sound wave, the wave propagate in terms of compression and rarefaction. So here the disturbance travel in this direction, that is the wave travel in this direction, and this particle oscillate about their mean position. So the direction of oscillating particle and the direction of wave both are in same direction. So here sound wave is a longitudinal wave. Sound wave is a longitudinal wave. Sound wave propagate in terms of compression and rarefaction. In case of sound waves, elastic property is bulk modulus. That is B. And inertial property is mass density. That is rho. Here we know mass density rho is equal mass per unit volume. So that is density is equal mass by volume. But linear mass density is mass per unit length. So here we know what is bulk modulus. Bulk modulus B is equal volume stress by volume strain. That is equal, here volume stress is nothing but force per area by volume strain is nothing but change in volume by original volume. So we know formula for bulk modulus B is equal, so here force per area is nothing but here del P by del V by V. Let us take, this is first equation, but the speed of sound wave is directly proportional to bulk modulus and inversely proportional to mass density. That is, here speed of wave V is directly proportional to bulk modulus and V is inversely proportional to mass density. So from this two we can write V is directly proportional to B by rho. Let us take this is second equation. Let us check this equation is dimensionally correct or not correct. So the dimension of B by rho is so here the dimension formula for B is m L to 4 of minus 1 T to 4 of minus 2 by the dimension formula for rho mass density is m L to 4 of minus 3. So from this we can write the dimension for here m cancel, L to 4 of minus 1, take this numerator, that is minus 1 plus 3, that is L power of plus 2 T to 4 of minus 2. So but L to power L square T to 4 of minus 2 is not a dimension formula for velocity. Here I am taking square root on both sides, that is B by rho is equal L T to 4 of minus 1. Here L T to 4 of minus 1 is a dimensional formula for velocity. So let us take this is equation 3. So from equation 2 and equation 3, we can write V is, that is speed of a wave is directly proportional to square root of B by rho. If we remove proportionality, here we have to take a proportionality constant, that is V is equal to C into under root of B by rho. So here C is taken as a 1. Therefore, finally we can get speed of a longitudinal wave or speed of a sound V is equal to square root of B by rho. Therefore, speed of sound V is equal to square root of B by rho. We know that compressibility is inversely proportional to bulk modulus. So that is compressibility Ke is equal to 1 by bulk modulus, that is B. And we know compressibility in gas is very much less than 2 in liquid. So that is K gas is greater than K liquid and K liquid greater than K solids. So from this we can write, so here compressibility is inversely proportional to bulk modulus. So that is, so here we can write B gas is less than B liquid is less than B solid. So here in gas or liquid or solid, bulk modulus is have high values in solids. So here V is directly proportional to square root of B. So the velocity is high in solid, then liquid, then gas. That is, speed of a sound wave is more in solids compared to liquids and gases. For a linear media like a steel bar, the elastic property is Young modulus. So in steel bar, here elastic property is Young modulus. So the speed of wave is written as V is equal under root of Y by rho. We know ideal gas equation. So that is PV is equal N kBT. So here PV is equal, we can write constant. So here I am taking change in PV. So that is del PV is equal del of constant. So change in constant is 0. That is 5 minus 5 is 0. So here it's a constant, it is also a constant. So the change in constant is 0. But here pressure and volume both are variable. Both are not constant. So here we can write P is take as a constant and change in value. Plus here V is take as a constant and P take a change in value. So here del PV is written as P into del V plus V into del P. So from this we can write P into del V is equal, take right side. So that is minus V into del P. So that is here P is equal, how we can write? Minus del P by, so take this del V to right side. So that is del V by V. From equation 1, we know minus del P by del V by V is equal bulk modulus. So in wave equation, we can replace bulk modulus as a pressure. So therefore, the speed of a sound wave V is equal, we can write, how we can write? Here B by rho. Here B is what? P by rho, pressure by mass density. This is known as Newton's formula. Newton assumed that the process of sound transfer in air medium is an isothermal process. So in isothermal process, we know PV is equal constant. By using this formula, we can get speed of a sound wave in air medium is 280 meter per second. But it is not a correct value. So the correct value is 331 meter per second. So the speed of sound wave in air medium is 331 meter per second. That is approximately it is 15% is decreased. So Laplace correct this equation. According to Laplace, the propagation of sound waves in air medium is a adiabatic process. So we know in adiabatic process, the relation is P V2 for gamma is equal constant. Here gamma is Cp by Cv. For air medium, gamma is seven by 5. In adiabatic process, P V2 for gamma is equal constant. Here I am taking derivative on both sides. So that is change in P V2 for gamma is equal change in constant. Here change in constant, that is here phi is constant and phi is also constant. So that is change in constant is 0. So here change in constant is 0, but here change in PV, here P is a variable and volume is also a variable. So we can write. So here I am taking P is constant and change in V2 for gamma plus here I am taking V2 for gamma is constant and change in P, that is equal change in constant is 0. So we know the formula for V2 for change in V2 for gamma. So that is differentiation of x power of n, that is equal n into x power of n minus 1. So here we can write gamma V2 for of gamma minus 1 into del V. Here we can write P into del V2 for gamma is equal, how we can write gamma V2 for gamma minus 1 del V. So that is gamma V2 for gamma minus 1 into del V plus V2 for gamma into del P is equal 0. So here V2 for gamma del P take to right side. So here we can write P gamma. Here V2 for gamma minus 1 can be written as V2 for gamma V2 for minus 1 into del V, that is equal minus V2 for gamma del P. So here V2 for gamma cancel. So that is here we can write P gamma. Here it is V power of minus 1. That is we can write del V by V, that is called minus del P. So from this we can write P into gamma is equal, so here minus del P by take this value to right side, that is del V by V. So that is del V by V. But we know minus del P by del V by V is equal, from equation 1 it is B. So here B is equal what? Gamma P. So we know speed of sound V is equal square root of B by rho. So from this we can write speed of wave V is equal square root of gamma P by rho. So this equation is known as Laplace correction. So by using this formula, we can get speed of sound wave in air medium is 331 meter per second.